In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't adjust brightness in Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, right click on your desktop, then go to Display Settings. Then setting will launch up on your PC. So it will bring you on this interface. So you'll need to scroll down. Then you are going to see Advanced Display Settings. Click on it. So again, you are going to click on Display Adapter Properties for Display. Then this pop-up will appear on your screen. So you are going to minimize this one. Then now we will use this one. So as you can see, we are on Adapter. You are going to click on Properties. Then again, this window will pop up. So click on Driver. Then down here, you are going to see Rollback Driver. So if yours is not grayed, you are going to click on it, and it will fix your problem. As you can see here, if the device fails after updating the driver, roll back to the previous installed driver. This one will fix your problem. But if it is grayed, as you can see, mine is grayed, you need to update the driver. So you just click on Update Driver, then search automatically for drivers. So if this appears on your screen, meaning that you need to update it now manually, so you'll go back, then browse My Computer for drivers. Then you'll click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. So click on it. So you're going to select the latest one, which is at the top there. Do not select Microsoft. Select this one, which is the first one on the list. So after you have done that, you'll now click Next. And then as you can see, it is installing the driver. So as you can see, Windows has successfully updated your drivers. So just click on Close. Then you will now close this one. Then you will now go to Monitor. Then you will be able to see Properties here. So if your properties is clickable, you will do the same thing that we have done with adapters. We will go and install and update drivers. But if it is grayed as mine, you will just need to close this one first. Then you will refresh your computer. Then once you've done that, you will now right click again. Then go to Display Settings. Then scroll down. Then Advanced Display Settings. Then Display Adapter Properties for Display. Then this pop-up will appear again on your screen. So you are going to go to Monitor. Then click on Properties. Then this pop-up will appear on your screen. So you will click on Drivers. Then again, if you have rollback drivers button, you can just click on it to fix the problem. But if you do not have, you are going to click on Update Driver. Then go to Browse My Computer for drivers. Then let me pick from a list available driver on my computer. Click on it. Then you are going to see Show Compatible Hardware. So this is the driver that you need to update. So once you've selected it, just click on Next to update it. So guys, after updating your monitor drivers, the last step that you need to do is to go to Settings, then go to Update and Security. Then go to Windows Update. So here you need to check for updates. Once you have checked for updates, you need to update every software that has been installed in your computer. So after doing that, I hope your problem will be fixed. That's how to fix can't adjust brightness in Windows 11 or Windows 10. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching guys, and see you in the next one.